Hello guys, hello my YouTube people. Today is a good day, man. Today we're gonna make some banana bread, banana cake. Oh my goodness, I can't wait. I hope today we hack it. There's a day I tried manze, ilitoka kitu ingine. I don't even want to talk about it. But today, God, lead us. Guys, if you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. You're missing a lot. Click on that subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel. Don't miss out in the home of vibes. Home of good vibes. You'll miss out a lot. Just click on the button, subscribe, like, and leave a comment. But if you're a returning subscriber, I love you guys. I love you so much. Thank you guys for coming back to always watch my channels. Today, let's cook. Let's cook banana cake and see how it goes. So guys, oh, sorry about this. This is not part of the ingredients. This all we'll need. I'll mix my nini here. If you have a blender, you can mix in a blender. Anything, depends with your kitchen. This one I used for mashing the bananas. I'll need bananas, 3 of them. I'll use 3 of them. Napenda banana zangu kama zimeiva sana. This is my butter. Natumiaga blue band maze. So hii ni blue band yangu nimeimeltisha. My eggs are ready there. This is bicarbonate of soda. And this is banana essence, which is optional. Si lazima utumie. I always prefer, if you're using all-purpose flour, you use baking soda and baking powder. But if you're using the self-raising flour, kama hii ndio kwa kitchen yako, you can just add baking soda kidogo. Because already hii iko na baking powder ndani. Alright guys, hope you are together up to that point. And another thing, we'll use cinnamon. You'll use cinnamon here, so yeah, sijaiongeza, wacha nilete. So cinnamon will be needed here to make your cake tasty. So guys, let's do this. As said earlier, this is my cinnamon. Imebaki kidogo. And I'll use just a pinch of salt. Don't worry about the measurement. I'll put them on the video. I'll leave them with you. For somebody, it's a simple recipe, and we're gonna try this and see how it goes down. Hope you guys will enjoy. Stay with me, guys. Let's do this. have to preheat your oven. Yangu nitaweka to 180. I like it at 220. And then this one, you need preheat up and down. So I need to preheat it up and down. And I'll preheat it for 10 minutes. Okay? I'll preheat it for 10 minutes. So guys, my paste is ready for baking. I don't know how you guys, mimi hupaka oil first, but if you have, is it baking what? Baking wrappers or baking papers? Unaweza tumia, but mimi hutumia oil. Ndio keki yangu isi stick kwa pan, kwa baking tray yangu. So this is how I normally do it. Then I'll sprinkle some flour, just a little bit. But if you have the baking papers, baking wrappers, how do you guys call them? I do it like this. It's now ready for the oven. Let's wait for it to preheat and then, yeah, let's wait and see the outcome, guys. Thank you guys. Just stay there. Ikikuwa mbaya, hata nyinyi mtablamiwa. Just stay tuned. So at this point, if you want to decorate your cake, you can do it. Unaweza weka your banana, another ripe banana, or raisins you can sprinkle and then put on the oven. So stay tuned. So my oven is ready. I'm going to put my cake and give it 30 minutes to bake. So I'll put a timer for 30 minutes. Let's give it time and we'll be back tuone venye itakuwa the progress, guys. So let's wait and see. I'll just give it some time to cool down so that I can take the glass out, and let's wait and see the outcome. But you can peep through the glass. It looks yummy. Let's wait and see how it goes down. So this is how our cake looks like. It looks so yummy, it looks so good. These white things here, I think nilieka unga mingi kwa tray kwa baking tray, lakini next time it won't happen. But all in all, we have achieved the thing. The outcome is so good. Aki, we've achieved the results. They go perfect. The cake looks so sweet. I can't wait to taste it. I let it cool for some time and then I'll have a taste of it. We've achieved this thing. It's a simple banana recipe. You can do this for breakfast. It's very easy to make. It just takes few minutes that you can prepare for breakfast. Use it as a quick meal. It's so nice, so good. So guys, thank you so much. This is what we have achieved today and I'm happy. Today I did it. We hacked it, man. Thank you. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for staying with me up to the end of this video. You've seen how our cake looks like. It's so delicious, so yummy. I can't wait to have a taste of it. For my returning subscribers, hey guys, sinawapenda. Mungu awazidishie. I love you all. If you're new here, please click on that subscribe button. This is the home. This is home. This is where to be. So you've seen our recipe. They are very simple. Vitu zenye uko tu nayo kwa jikoni yako. The things you have in your kitchen, not chicken. The things you have in your kitchen. They're just basic. But if you don't have an oven, don't worry. You can use jiko. It will still give you the same outcome. So guys, don't worry about oven. You can still use your jiko, bake your cake at the comfort of your home, enjoy it for breakfast. I love you all. Thank you guys.